Here we are at the North Etiwanda Preserve in the county of San Bernardino, and we're going to do a little hike up to the Etiwanda Falls. The hike itself is about 3.2 miles, about 774 feet of elevation. As you pass the sign for the trail, you can see this gate, and then up behind it, it looks like there's the entrance where you go into the trail. One of the benefits of a Southern California rainstorm in the winter is you get these incredible vistas of the mountains covered with snow. Trail's a bit rocky starting out, but not too difficult. The city of Etiwanda, it's about 50 miles east of Los Angeles. Got a few steps here going up to the next level. There's a little kiosk here with some information. I guess I actually went off the trail a little bit to go to that kiosk, but it looks like it winds around and then you pick it up again. Here's where the trail actually comes up from the parking lot. It's marked, and then you kind of head off this way, it looks like. You can see some folks heading down from up ahead where the trail climbs a bit. You next come to this little marker, which kind of demonstrates the way water was delivered from the mountains down to the cities. Here comes some uphill. Got the half-mile marker, more uphill. There's a spot in the trail where you can just pull over and check out a little picnic area if you'd like. If you take that little path that goes off to the right here towards the picnic area, this is where you end up. You see that little spot out there. This is a great little spot with some information, picnic table, look back at the city. More uphill here. There's a little bit of a stopping point here, and you can look back and see the city. I think that main road is probably Etiwanda Avenue. I won't deny that that last uphill was a bit of a challenge, but just take your time. As I say in one of the tips videos, just do little step, take your time, rest if you have to, and enjoy it. Almost a mile in, and we're still heading up. Be nice going down. About half a mile left on the trail, and look at that gorgeous view of the city looking back. As you turn that corner up there, you can start to hear the sound of water. Listen closely. And then you get your first glimpse of some water. It might seem like a dumb thing to say, but be sure to look around as you're hiking this trail, because you are absolutely surrounded by beauty, and you can get caught up with being tired with the elevation. But my goodness, stop every so often and just look and take it all in. Looks like you have just one last push to get up to the top. I assume the falls are up there. Almost up to the falls, but it's beautiful to look back on where we came. You can see the trail and the city of Etiwanda back there. Wow, this is so beautiful back here with the trees and the water flowing through them. Wow, I expected a waterfall, but I never expected a gorgeous scene like this leading up to the waterfall. The water continues and then flows down. I've seen other pictures of this waterfall, and it seems like it's a lot fuller today, but that could be because of all the California rain that we've had. Did the work to make it up here to Etiwanda Falls. I encourage you to chill and take it in and enjoy it. So we made it up to Etiwanda Falls. It's a good trail, but don't underestimate the elevation. The elevation is quite a bit. I had to take a couple of breaks, I have to admit. But thanks for tagging along with me. I appreciate your watching, and I will see you on the next video.